Today in government, it is a long procurement process traditionally, where you have to go out, you have to buy hardware, you buy the software, you have to buy the personnel, you have to find your data center. The traditional procurement models is kind of a lot of times where they're stuck. A lot of times when you're looking with government, there is a whole total cost of ownership problem from procurement all the way through the life cycle of disposal of that equipment that is often overlooked. When you come to budgeting of information technology systems, you look at the upfront costs, but the total cost over time tends to not be accounted for or lost sight of when you're looking at traditional solutions. Now, inside government, cloud technology, though it's been slow to adopt, has kind of tried to revolutionize the way they think. Just like in commercial industry, where you can pay for what you use and it's capacity on demand versus needing to plan for capacity ahead of demand, that is where cloud technology is starting to be able to enable government, though at a slow pace in some areas. It does allow them to rapidly more adopt, experiment, and hopefully reduce some of that total cost of ownership for their projects.